Hey, welcome to this quick video, which is a follow-up to the previous video I did where I used my mobile phone, which has a time-of-flight depth camera, to do a 3D scan of this wooden Easter bunny sculpture, right? So what I did now is I used our Azure Spatial Anchors application to actually create an anchor where I placed this 3D scan of that bunny, kind of, in the real world. And then I saved that as a session, and what I'm doing now is I'm loading that session. So I persisted that anchor, and now I can load that persisted anchor. I need to scan just a little bit around, and I found the anchor, already placed the model. That was really fast, as you could see, right? And that was all downloaded through the internet, of course. The model is actually not that big, and so it loaded quite fast. As you can see, the quality of the 3D scan is really amazing. As you can see it right next to the real object, right? Here you can see even these little scratches. Of course, the shading is a little bit different, right? The lighting is not exactly like it is here in the real world, but still very much impressive. And like you have seen, I've just loaded a saved anchor, and so that will stay here as long as I want. So I could always come back. I could tell my wife, hey, use your phone, see how that second wooden Easter bunny looks like. Do you want me to, make a new one, and that kind of stuff, right? And we can even try out, of course, different sizes. So I can scale it up here, and so I scaled it up. I could also move it over here. I could rotate it like I want, like this, or like around this axis here, right? And then I could place it right next to this one. And so I can try out a lot of these scenarios. I can try out different sizes and so on. Alright, I think that's some pretty powerful workflows, because as you can imagine, we can create these 3D models on the fly with a mobile phone. We can then place these models as in augmented reality right next to real-world objects, and then even with the AR Cloud and Azure Spatial Anchors, save these models and save these anchors in the real world to persist even, and see it at a later stage, or have cross-platform shared scenarios where different people with their own devices could explore it on their own. Powerful scenarios, all done on mobile. If that's not something, I don't know. All right, take care, my friends, and stay safe, everyone.